Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driven Garage. Today we're going to be working on, of course, the Lotus Evora, and we're going to be working specifically on the IPS transmission, the paddle shifters, because we're going to be installing the GRP paddle extensions, and who wouldn't be excited for these? Hopefully you guys like the video. It's going to be a nice, short, and simple one. These are really simply easy to install. Other than that, stay tuned, guys. Okay, so first things first, I just wanted to go ahead and show you size-wise. I mean, they're not bad. They have nice feel, the stock paddle shifters, but they're just kind of small, especially when you're on the track. I mean, they're mounted in a fitted position, but size-wise, I mean, they're really only about 3.5 inches. They're not that big. So hopefully I'll be able to show you overall how much bigger. I'll do one side just to show you the difference comparison, but let me show you what comes with the kit. So again, shout out to GRP, Greg's Race Parts. Great person, great items. Always have no problem with him or his product. So shout out to him. Go give GRP or Greg's Race Parts a try. Tons of Lotus parts, tons of great things to look at. But back to the paddles. So going back to those stock paddles, they're about 3.5. So going up to about 6, just about 2.5 inches bigger. And I mean, quality-wise, they feel like aluminum. I don't know if they're one piece, but have a nice feel to it, nice weight. The top comes with a nice carbon fiber bit that will go on when we install it. I'll show you that. And what's really cool is that they're just held by small Allen bolts, and Greg supplies both a stainless steel or just, I guess, billet aluminum exposed metal, or if you want to just go for that matte black look, you could use those to secure it, which is really nice. I mean, basically, the stock paddle will sit on there. This will go on top and will bolt it down. Supplies you with everything pretty much. Allen key, filler pad, which is really nice. I mean, it's really organized, guys. GRP does a nice product. And then when it's installed, I'll show you that. I'll go ahead and just show you how quick it is and simple it is to install, though. Alright guys, so first things first, depending on the year of the Evora and the paddle style, some of the original paddles might be thin, so Greg supplies these little foam pads that you may or may not have to cut and just fill. They'll go on the inside there, so when your paddle actually sits on the inside, they'll have more of a fuller feel to it. So mine don't actually need them, I just put them in just to show you how it will actually be like. So you'll see the top there in these corners. It just helps actually secure it and allow it to have a more filler feel with it, if that makes sense. So again, all of them may or may not need it, but just depending on the thinness or thickness of yours, you could put them in to adjust it so it actually sits perfectly nice and flush with it. So now I'm going to go ahead and just install the top. Alright guys, so as you can already tell, I don't even really need to hold it. It fits in there pretty good. You'll just take your carbon fiber bit, place it on top. You'll mount the holes up accordingly, and you'll just use your Allen key and Allen bolt, and you'll bolt that up. It's not that hard. You really don't need a video, but just in case you're curious about it before buying it, I'll show you what the finished product looks like on both. Alright guys, just to show a comparison, again, there's the original one, there is the GRP or Greg's Race Parts carbon fiber aluminum one, pedal extensions. I mean, overall you can see how much higher and lower they are to fit. The only thing to keep in mind is they are interchangeable, so you could flip-flop them either side. There's no difference when you order these. This side will fit that side. Using the Allen key, the only thing I could probably recommend is the lower one, maybe just tighten by hand first before using the Allen key. Top one's really simple to use, but again, they feel nice metal side. You reach, my finger pretty much reaches them right about underneath there, just to get perspective. Well, this one is kind of actually just about so there compared to there. I mean, overall, again, I mean, if you just really want to see with tape measure perspective, those were right about 6 while these ones were right about 3. So 3.5 again. So hope you guys liked the video. Hope it was informative, at least for you if you're just curious about purchasing them. They do feel nice. Go check out GRP if you want to order them. I'll leave a link in the description below if you have any questions about installing them. Just leave a comment below as well, alright? Again, thanks for watching.